Hey guys, and welcome back to another RPG Maker MV plugin. And today's plugin is actually my first ever Patron requested plugin and an extension plugin to Yanfly's extra enemy drops plugin. And it's going to be the enemy bulk drops plugin. Now with Yanfly's extra enemy drops plugin, you can add as many drops as you want for an enemy to drop in terms of items, weapons, armors, etc. But a big problem is the fact that if you want to have an enemy drop a large amount of items or weapons or armors, you're going to have to list them out all like this, and it's going to be a huge hassle, especially if you have like hundreds and hundreds of items you want to potentially drop from a specific enemy. But that's what today's plugin is going to fix. So in order to process the drop rates of a whole bulk of items, simply do item 1 to say 50 and set that to maybe 2%, like that. And what this note tag will do is it'll set it so each item from 1 to 50 is going to have a 2% chance of dropping off of our bat enemy right here. And that's one of the first note tags added through the bulk enemy drops plugin. As you can see, it's pretty basic. You can also do the same thing with weapon, 1 to 50 or 1 to say 25, and set that to maybe like 4%, and then it'll make so every weapon from 1 to 25 has a 4% chance of dropping from this bat. And of course, you can also do the same thing for armors. We're doing armor 1 to whatever 5, 1%. I think you get the point that's going on here. But this is not all you can do. This is going to make so each item in this entire group, or weapon in this entire group, or armor in this entire group is each going to have that percent. But say you want it so there's only a % chance of one item, weapon, or armor within that group of dropping. That's where you could do group item, weapon, or armor, set IDs from like 4 to maybe 20, and set that to say, I don't know, maybe 50%. And what this note tag will do is make it so there's a 50% chance that one item from this group of items is going to drop from this bat. So let's say you defeat this bat, it's first going to check see whether this condition is true, which is going to be a 50% random chance. And if that chance is correct, that means one item from this group from 4 to 20 is going to drop. So this is good for when you have like a whole ton of items you want to potentially drop, but don't want the like hundreds and hundreds of items to all drop all at once. This makes it so it's restricted to one item dropping only. And you can also put multiple of these. So let's just copy this and paste it right here. And this will make it so there's now two chances, each 50% for one item from ID 4 to 20 to drop. And it's that simple. That's all you really got to do. And of course, you can also switch this to weapon to make it apply to weapons, or you can switch this to armor to make it apply to armor, as you can see right here. But of course, if this is not enough for you, there's one last thing you can do. Let's go to one of these items right here, and let's use a note tag, I don't know, maybe drop group, let's see, what group name do we want to give it? We'll give it fire for this example. And this will make it so this potion is now going to be registered into a group called fire. And now you can stick a whole ton of items into this group, including items, weapons, and armors. So we can set it so this ring is going to be in the group. We can set it so that this axe is going to be in the group. And that's going to make it so this axe, the potion, and this ring are all in our fire drop group. Now let's go back to our enemy. It makes so this enemy has a chance of dropping one item from that group. So we'll do drop, group, fire, and then set a percentage of something like 40, maybe something higher, like 90% like this. And this is going to mean that there's a 90% chance that one item, weapon, or armor from the fire group will drop when defeating this bat, as you see right here. So let's go test it out. So now when we defeat this bat, we'll find that this bat is going to drop one of the fire item group things, which is going to be, for this example, the axe, which was in the fire group. And that's all for this plugin. If you enjoyed, the download link to this plugin is in the description of this video. And that's all for now. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And yeah, until next time, bye!